Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by fixing what's most likely. Update the GPU driver and reboot so After Effects sees full RAM. Once done, open Preferences, right arrow Memory and Performance, and reassign RAM so After Effects has priority. Purge all caches and lower the composition preview to 1/2 or 1/4. That immediately reduces RAM demand. Make sure GPU-accelerated effects are temporarily disabled for testing. This isolates whether a specific effect is the culprit and lets you continue working while you investigate. You now reduce what the GPU must hold. Create proxies for RAW or high-resolution clips, or pre-render complex compositions to lossless MOVs so the renderer reads less RAM. Trim time ranges and shrink comp resolution. Small changes have big impact on memory. Replace or disable GPU-heavy effects like certain blur or glow plugins, then update those plugins. Outdated builds often leak RAM. Once those steps are applied, the project should be considerably lighter and more stable during previews and renders. You finish by choosing a safer render path. Export through Media Encoder, and if OOM persists, switch to software-only or lower hardware acceleration for the encoder. Move the disk cache to a fast SSD with ample free space, and restart After Effects before a final render so caches reset. Monitor RAM usage in Task Manager or your GPU utility while test rendering. If things still fail, the key troubleshooting tip is to isolate a single comp by disabling others. That locates a leak or nasty effect to fix or pre-render.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.